If you experience trouble finding a good pace initial segment of the day, reiterate, I have to go to work. As a person, what should I complain about when I do what I was born for? The things I was born for? Or was I made for this? Snuggle under the cover and stay warm. But it's more beautiful here. So, were you born to feel good? Instead of doing and experiencing things, don't you see the plants, birds, ants, spiders, and bees that perform their task and put the world in order in the best possible way? And aren't you ready to do your job as a human? Why don't you run to do what your nature requires? Like almost everything in life, sleeping more than enough is too much. Studies shows that more than 7 to 8 hours of sleep per day can lead to diabetes, obesity, headaches, back pain, and heart disease. What's worse and more immediate is that every hour of sleep that goes beyond what your body needs to recover or repair is an hour you lost forever. An hour of sleep loss is not available for meditation. This hour cannot be used to make you stronger and more resistant. It cannot be used to make the world a better place. You will not test yourself and grow in this hour. You will not do great deeds in this hour. You won't even remember what happened. It is only buried forever under the sands of time, an irreplaceable treasure that eternity has lost. Better to resume the time and use it as required by your nature. You have rested enough. Now is the time to take a deep breath and get up. Thanks for watching.